What's up, guys? This is Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to introduce you to our brand new Masterson's Whiskey Scent Air Freshener and Odor Eliminator. Now, we traveled all the way to Tennessee to get inspiration from American-made whiskey for our Whiskey Scent Air Freshener. Now, you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. Now, here at Masterson's Car Care, we love bourbon whiskey, so we went and took the inspiration of American-made whiskey, that beautiful smell of toasted oak, vanilla, and even beautiful cinnamon, and put it into an amazing bottle that you could spray in your car, your truck, your RV, around the home, your hotel, your locker, anywhere you got those funky smells. You can get our Masterson's Whiskey Scented Air Freshener and restore a beautiful scent. Now, I love this scent. It smells amazing. It has an amazing oak and vanilla scent with undertones of cinnamon that you could pick up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. Now, if you want that amazing scent of beautiful American whiskey inside your ride, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, pick up a bottle and spray it in your ride today. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.